Minecraft's error 401, also known as 401 unauthorized, isn't a game bug but an HTTP status code indicating a login or authentication failure when accessing online services like multiplayer or skin loading. This happens when the game client can't verify your identity with Mojang's servers. Common causes include incorrect login details, expired sessions, or outdated game versions. Since Minecraft uses secure authentication methods like OAuth 2.0 and Microsoft Azure Active Directory, this error means there's a mismatch in security tokens. This is more prevalent in Java Edition but can also occur in Bedrock, signaling a need to re-authenticate to regain access to online features. Error 401 is distinct from errors like 403, forbidden, or 500, server error, which indicate access denial or server faults. Begin by verifying your login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct username and password for your Microsoft account if you've migrated from a Mojang account or your original Mojang account, if applicable. Next, update your Minecraft launcher to the latest version. As of Q3 2025, this is version 1.5.2, which includes improvements for handling authentication errors. Clear the launcher's cache and restart the game. This resolves many temporary authentication issues by refreshing stored session data. If using a custom launcher like MultiMC, update its authentication libraries to ensure compatibility with Mojang servers. Check your internet connection and firewall settings. Ensure Minecraft can communicate with Mojang servers without being blocked. Mojang has implemented auto-retry mechanisms in recent updates to automatically handle temporary 401 errors without user intervention. If issues persist, visit status.mojang.com to check for server outages or maintenance that might cause 401 errors. Finally, enable two-factor authentication on your Microsoft account. This adds an extra layer of security and can reduce authentication failures.